You know that weird annoying thing, hiccups? They're actually a 370-million-year-old mistake your body still makes. When you hiccup, your diaphragm, that muscle helping you breathe, suddenly contracts and your vocal cords snap shut. That's what makes the hike sound. But here's the crazy part. This reflex isn't designed for humans at all. Scientists believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from our distant ancestors, fish. Back then, this motion helped push water across gills. Now, it's just your body randomly acting like a fish from hundreds of millions of years ago. So next time you hiccup, remember, it's your inner fish saying hello. Subscribe for more fun facts and quick hit knowledge.